In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to add header, footer, page number, automatic date and time, and how to exclude your cover page or first page from having the header and footer or page number. So here I'm working on a document with 10 pages. Then I can just select any pages within the document. And to insert header and footer, you can either go to insert header or footer, or you can double click the topmost part of the page or the bottommost part of the page. So here I'm going to double click the topmost part of the page to enter the header section. Okay, there you go. So header section usually includes title of the document, chapter name, author's name. So in this example, I'm gonna put the title of the document and the name of the author on the header section. So the title of this document is Portfolio in Comp 100. Then for the author name, I'm gonna separate it with a vertical bar character. Then, for example, my name. Then on the second line, I would like to add the date and time. So under the header section, you don't put or input the date manually. So under Design tab, go to Date and Time. And here, you can select different formats. And I'm going to select the third format, 22 December 2020. Then, don't forget to put a check mark under Update Automatically so that every time you open your document, for example, if you want to continue editing tomorrow, the date will automatically change to the current date. Okay? Then click OK. Now let's go to our footer. You can either click Go to Footer or you can just scroll down. So for the footer, I would like to add the page number. And in Microsoft Word, you no longer have to input the page numbers manually. So still under the Design tab, look for page number tool. So it's actually next to footer. So we have here header, footer, the next is the page number. So select page number. Then I would like to add my page number at the bottom of the page. So select bottom of page and you will have like 4 options to choose. Either your page number is aligned to the left, center, right, or you can select the accent bar type. So I'm going to select accent bar. Okay. To exit from your header or footer, click Close Header and Footer. So if you notice in here, our header and footers have actually been applied to all of the pages within our document. So starting from the cover page and all the way down to the last page of the document. Alright, so now let's go back to our cover page. Cover page doesn't need a header and it shouldn't have a page number as well. So how can you exclude the cover page or the first page of your document from having a header and footer or page number? So let's go to our header section again. So double click the topmost part of the page. Alright, now under the Design tab, you will see this option, different first page. So if you select this option or put a check mark on this option, you will have a different header and footer on your cover page from the rest of your document. So I'm gonna put a check mark on it, different first page. Alright, so our cover page now doesn't have a header and it doesn't have the footer or our page number anymore. Let's review. Our cover page now doesn't have a header, and our page 2 header is there, and the page number starts with page number 1. So by the way, in order for your second page to start from page number 1, so let's enter our footer section and go back to page number. So you select Format Page Numbers. Then under Start At, by default it starts with 1, so that our first page would be number 1. So this time we will exclude our cover page from having a page number, so we will start at 0. So our cover page will have a 0 and the second page will start with number 1. Click OK, then close header and footer sections. Alright, so that is how you work with header, footer, page number, date and time, and how to format the page number as well.
Look up to the sky till the brighter days. In our eyes there is a revolution. Soon there will no longer be pollution.